Bittersweet is about change. It's about what we can learn from the changes in our lives, about what it would look like to stop and look at the way our lives are changing and say, what's happening right now? Why am I sad? What's exciting about this? What do I have to look forward to? What am I leaving behind? I found that I went through a really difficult season of change, kind of one after another changes where my life never really felt like my own. And I realized that I had never really taken the time to sit down and say, what's happening right now? What's sad about this? What's exciting about this? And a person gave me really good advice when I started writing. They said, you want to choose the topic that's endlessly exciting to you. It doesn't matter what your parents think or what you think is going to get you on Oprah. What do you really care about so much that you can talk about it to anybody all the time? And when it came time to write the second book, the thing that was on my mind all the time was change, was transition, was loss. My best friend moved away. My brother left on a sailing trip around the world. We moved houses, we changed jobs. Our lives felt so totally other than what they had been even a couple years before that. And I felt so alone at the beginning of that season, but the more people I talked with, the more I realized almost everybody I know is facing a transition like this. So what would it look like to weather those changes well? To weather them with grace and patience, to learn things along the way, to become more than we were before those changes. When life is sweet, to say thank you and celebrate. And then when life is bitter, to say thank you and grow.